Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share another tips and tricks on how to grow your hair fast using flaxseed gel. Actually, there are a number of reasons why flax seeds are healthy for your hair. It is because rich in vitamin A, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, reduces brittleness, nourishment for hair and scalp. Flax seeds can be used to promote hair growth and improve the overall quality of hair and scalp in a number of ways. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin A, which is great for both skin and hair health. The nutrient promotes the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps improve circulation in the head, thus promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. It may also help prevent premature graying of hair. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to be great for the skin and hair, as they keep them nourished and prevents hair drying. Some studies have shown that omega-3 may help prevent hair loss and thinning of hair, as well as dry scalp and even dandruff, especially during winters. So let's get started to make this flax seeds hair gel. So all we need to do is 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and 1 cup of water. Combine it together, stir, and put it in a pan. Just set to low heat and continuously stir until the consistency thickens. So this is what it looks like after a few minutes. Just check if the consistency looks like egg whites, then turn off the heat, strain it, and then let it cool down in a few minutes. Flax seeds act on both hair and scalp due to the presence of nourishing nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, manganese, selenium, and copper. May pagka-slime yung texture niya. So, ayan guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo, kaya mag-a-apply na ako ng flaxseed gel. You can apply this every day before or after maligo. So, ayan guys, na-apply ko na lahat ng flaxseed gel sa buhok. Aantayin ko na lang to hanggang sa matuyo. Hi guys! Welcome back! So, ito na po yung resulta ng flaxseed gel. Super soft, super shiny, at nakapag-add siya ng bonggang-bonggang volume sa buhok. In-apply ko yung flaxseed gel pagkatapos kong maligo. So, kailangan kasi bago natin i-apply yung flaxseed gel ay maliligo na muna tayo. So, kailangan malinis yung hair natin, yung scalp natin bago tayo mag-apply ng flaxseed gel. Pero yung iba naman, pwede rin naman gamitin bago kang maligo. Yung iba nilalagyan ng coconut oil, yung flaxseed gel. Hinahaluan ng coconut oil or lavender oil yung flaxseed gel bago nila i-apply sa buhok. Bili ko nga pala yung flaxseed gel sa Shopee. Ililink ko na lang sa description box below yung kung saan ako bumili ng flaxseed gel. Ayan guys. So, ayan. I'm so happy sa result kasi okay na okay siya. Dahil gustong-gusto ko yun. Nakapag-add siya ng volume at saka lambot sa buhok. So, ayan siya guys. So, I hope guys na nag-enjoy po kayo at nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I-click mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod ko pang videos. So much for watching. Bye! God bless!